Alright, so Dr. Tim was under the back of the Calais, the spicy nugget, taking off the earbuds. We are then going to try and get on these enemies everywhere, freaking fat boys. Big meaty boys. It was the boys at ProFlow that did the barrels black and everything, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, freaking sick. So what are you saying we've got to do to freaking get them under there?
I have to unbolt the back shock because of how tight the fitment is. So drop the shock.
Mint.
And they're not enemies everywhere. They've just got the B blocks. They're Weld B series.
So does that mean you're almost like making yourself look a little bit cheaper by having enemies everywhere?
I've devalued myself.
That's like trying to like grab your cock from the base. Look at that setup there. No rattle guns here?
No rattle guns, mate. I didn't even know I was coming here today. Just kind of happened. I was like, I'm going to see Charlie at ProFlow.
You may as well have come here.
Might as well come here, grab the converter for this too, so we can actually start bolting them over and box into it.
Hell yeah.
So, bit to happen.
I mean, it would be ready to go this weekend, but we got your Bucks night.
I feel like you G'd me up when you were like, is yours even going to make it?
Well, yeah, you're looking at me and we got to bolt in a kit that's made for it. You still got to get this thing running.
Vince out there loves doing a bit of bit of wiring for me, so...
Bit of twist and tape.
Yep, that's it.
All right, well, this is going to take forever to get these wheel nuts off, so I'll cut back in when we're struggling to get them on.
Yeah, I think you need to feel me in into what I think I'll go. Some people, we can't even get it. Yeah, see.
What do you mean?
Oh, didn't go on last time.
Oh, look at that. Bro, I think they're going to fit.
You don't?
No, I do.
Oh, you do?
Fitment looks fucking fine.
Stripped or tight?
It's tight.
It's just tight.
It's FT, just leave it. There you go, yeah, and they need 3 on there to hold it. I wonder what the inside clearance is like.
It's tight, but it'll work.
It'll self-clearance. It's only rubber.
Yeah, we can clearance
bit of trimming, yeah.
Of the fucking plastic.
You almost could have gone bigger. Like on the tyre.
Oh, the tyre, but we can play with tyres. Like
Yeah,
tyres...
they're going to be fun to do up. You're going to need a massive extension. Oh.
Fuck off.
That is so sick. That is sick. No, they freaking fit mint. You got so lucky with that.
That is...
Pure luck.
That is pure luck.
Damn, that looks so sick. And he also got some front runners to match. Actual front runners. Like, they're like, what, 4 inches wide. Very nice. Get these awesome earbuds off with like a couple mil of dish.
Oh, when you bought it?
No, he re-barreled them. Yeah.
I was like, oh, I want a skinnier wheel. I want a front runner Simmons. And then I didn't do nothing about offsets. And then that's what happened.
So you just winged it. Go on, chuck her on. What do you think, Christian?
He hates it.
You don't like them?
No, fuck no. This is Pro Street, mate.
Yeah, apparently so.
No one still likes the Pro Street.
There's the expensive bit. That fitment's still going to be pretty tight.
Yeah, it is. 2.25 on a... They always are on a fucking... That's why the boys suck them in. Oh, yeah, that's not...
The hub come out too fast.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
Oh, they're stud loading a little bit. Are they? They're not done up all the way?
Nah.
Needs to lose a couple inches on the front. Oh, it's got no engine.
Once the iron line goes in.
Yeah. Oh, look at that, Timmy.
Happy days.
Look at fucking that.
So that's here we come.
Alrighty, guys. So that's pretty much like where the end of that kind of finishes. Like we just randomly filmed that one afternoon. We didn't really plan for anything, but I wanted to have something to be able to upload. I was going to plan to like slither this into a different video, but like I didn't know what video. And then just with the way that things are with how busy they are at work at the moment, I just wanted to chuck it together and throw them up. This is the car that we talk about when we talk about like that's going to be our main chariot for Summer Nats kind of thing for most of the time. So hopefully we get it done in time. Also, all the orders for the Inject-Out keychains were almost sold out. I think we have like 20 left. So if you want to get those, jump on them quick. I'm pretty sure that they're probably going to be like, we want to take some of them with us to Summer Nats Smash, but at this rate, it looks like we're going to freaking sell out of them. And then like the 400 orders that we had, Indy has pumped them all out by herself and smashed them out in a couple of days. So the reason you guys are getting them now and not delayed because of how busy I am with work is all thanks to Indy. So go and give her a big, massive thank you because she's the reason that you're actually getting them. But tomorrow morning, like literally within like the next like 10 hours, I got to get back up because we're heading out to Cootamundra for runway thrash. And we're taking Bazza out. So if you guys watch motive video at all, you know what Bazza is. And we're going to have a shit ton of fun in that. And I'm going to be vlogging a lot of it. So I should have a pretty cool, fun video of shredding tires in a death cart on an airstrip, on a runway. So that'll be for next week. So if you're keen for that, give me a hell yeah, brother in the comments. But I'm going to wrap up this one here. So I'll catch you guys in the next one, which will be Tuesday, 6 p.m. Take it easy, say it, later, peace.
You bitching and bugging, there's nothing that we got in common. I've been out grinding and hustling, investing this paper, got tired of eating that ramen. All of my music be heat, I ain't missing a beat, I've been blessed with